Greetings again, traders, and welcome back. I want to show you how you can use a lot of tools on this TradingView mobile application. Okay, if you click on this pencil icon again, you see it gives you a lot of options here, a lot of tools that you can use. If you scroll right down to the end, there are a lot of tools you can use. For example, if you want to use an arrow, or you want to write a text, if you call out a picture, an image, you can use all of this. Let's say, for example, that you want to write a text. Okay, you click on that text, you come to your bot, you just tap on your bot and you write anything, it's going to appear. Okay, that's it, it's done. You go to you press the pencil icon, you scroll, you are going to see the text over here. Click on text, you can write anything on your chart. Okay, call out as well. If you take call out, you click on your chart, you are going to see this mouse. Click on your chart and drag anywhere you want, just drag it, and then you can simply write anything inside and it's going to stay on your chart. You can move it anytime and go with it anywhere you want to. You can delete as well if you want. Or if you want the vertical line like we did before, you just tap here. If you want the horizontal line or the horizontal ray, you tap here. Let's change it to line. You see, it appears. You can also move it however you want to, or to whichever location you want. If you want the path where you can do a lot of things, you see, you can take like this. It's going to continue. Just move with it wherever you want to, it's going to follow you. You see, and anytime you want it to stop, you tap twice. You see, it has stopped. It has stopped. If you want to change it to a line, you just tap on it. You come over here, you see the three options. You have lines, you have dashed lines, and you have dotted lines. You click on lines, it's going to be changed to lines. If you want to change the color, you come to the pencil icon, you can change the color. Whatever color you want to use, just change it. You see, just change it. Okay, change it. You see, any color you want to use, you can change it, no problem. So this thing has a lot of options. Okay, if you want the arrow, this is the arrow over here. You click on the arrow, you can drag it anywhere. You can drag it anywhere. If you want to increase the size, you come to pixel, you make it 4 pixel, you make it 3, you make it 2. They are always prefer to use 1. And then you can simply just delete it as well. You can just tap on it, you delete. Tap on it, you delete. It goes, tap on it and you delete. There are a lot of things you can do with this guy here. Or let us see, you want to use a rotated rectangle. This is a rotated rectangle here. You can click on it, you go to your chart, and then you just, let's say you use it this way. Okay, if you pull up, you pull down again, you see it rotates. Play around with it, it rotates. Okay, you can use it and then you just double tap, it's going to stay on your chart. You can move it. Okay, if you don't want it, you can delete it. Go again, choose anything that you want here. There is just if I want to do videos on every single one of them, it's going to take us a lot of time. If you want to highlight something, you see this one that is opposite the rotated rectangle, the circle, just tap on it. Tap anywhere on your chart. If you want to highlight something, just tap anywhere and drag as well. You see, you can highlight something there and you keep it. Just double tap again, it's going to stay on your chart. You see, so play around with it, please. Just come here, choose anything, just see how it looks like. That's how you are going to get used to your chart. Just see how, if I take this one, how does it look like on the chart? You try to play around with it. If you can do this for like 1 week, you are going to get used to the chart very well. If you take arrow marker, for example, you press it and then you just drag. It's going to mark whatever direction you anticipate that the trade is going to go to. And you can text, you can name it. If you tap on it and you come to settings, it's going to give you this text bar where you can just write anything. Okay, you see, you have been able to label it. So play around with it. You can change the colors, you can change a lot of things you don't want about it. If you want it to be green, you want it to be black, so you can change the colors. Okay, just spend some time going to the market, going to your trading platform, just play around with all of these things. There is one important thing again that I want to show you. In case you don't always want to come back here to pick up something, let's delete this. If you don't always want to come back to that pencil icon to pick up something, what you simply do is whatever it is that you have picked, just tap on it. You see these three dots to the right? You tap on those three dots. Now you are going to see clone. You see template, visual order, blah blah blah, and then you see clone. If you tap on clone, it is going to clone whatever it is that you selected. You see, you don't have to go back to take it from the pencil icon. Just select one, tap on it, tap the three dots above, and clone it. It's going to replicate the same thing. You can clone it as many times as you want. It will replicate it. Look at something. I don't have to go back to the pencil icon and pick all of those things there. I can simply just delete if I don't want it anymore. Let me pick up a line. Let me see a trend line, and I draw it. If I need another trend line, I don't have to go back down there to pick it up. I just simply come here and I click on clone. You see, it has been cloned. I have two of them. If I want more, I just clone them. You can keep cloning, okay? See, I don't have to go down there to pick it up anymore, no. So you can do it with all of those tools down there. You can clone all of them. In case I draw a line and I don't want somebody to come and offset whatever it is that I've drawn. Look at something. Maybe I'm going to be busy and I don't want somebody to touch my chart. Just tap on it. Go to this three pencil icon over here, and then you come down. Below clone, you are going to see lock. So if I just click on lock, trust me, everything I've done here is locked. Nobody can move it. See, it is locked. You cannot move it. This one that I tap is locked. The first one down here is locked. This one is not locked because I didn't lock it. Let me lock it and you see lock. I cannot move this thing here unless I unlock it. I can't. Even this one, if I want to lock it, I just come down here and I lock it. I can't move it. It stands there. Nobody can touch it unless you go back and you unlock it. You go back again, you unlock this one. You see unlock. Click on unlock. Go back here, click on unlock. Now you can move it again. You see, you can move it. So it's so powerful. It's so powerful. You can do a lot with it. I don't want to do a single video about every other thing. Just watch this video, go ahead, play around with all of these things, and then you are going to learn a lot. Okay, you will learn a lot. Thank you so very much. Goodbye. And in case you want to delete something, just click on this eraser and then just tap on the thing. It's going to go. Okay, do whatever it is that you want to do. Go over there, click on eraser, come to it. It's going to disappear immediately. Look at something. Let's draw this. Okay, now let's go back to the pencil icon. Click on eraser. Just tap whatever it is that you have drawn. It's going to erase and it's going to disappear. Thank you so very much for listening again. Go and try and show me a result. Goodbye.